In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to create tasks, assign them, track their progress, and customize your board so it works the way you do. Let's start with creating a task. On the left sidebar, look for your workspace and choose the board where you want to manage your work. This board is basically your project or list. Once you're on the board, find the group where you want the task to live. At the top of that group, click the Add button, or you might see a New Item button instead, depending on your setup. A new row will appear. Type the name of your task, then press Enter. That's your basic task created. Next, let's assign someone to that task so it's clear who owns it. Find the People column, which is usually right next to the task name. Click the plus icon or the little person silhouette. A drop-down will open with a list of team members. Just click the name of the person responsible, and they'll be assigned to that task. To track progress, you'll use the Status column. In that column, look for the colored box on the same row as your task. Click that color, and you'll see a list of status labels like Working on it, Stuck, or Done. Choose the one that matches where the task stands. You can update this anytime as work moves forward. Deadlines are managed in the Date column. Click the calendar icon in that column for your task, and a date picker will pop up. Select the due date you want. This makes it easier to stay on top of what's coming up. If you want to focus only on what's assigned to you, go to the left sidebar and click My Work. This view collects tasks from across boards and shows you just the items that are relevant to you. To customize your board further, scroll all the way to the right until you see a plus icon to add a column. Click it, then choose the type of column you need, such as timeline, files, or numbers. This lets you track exactly the kind of information your team cares about. You can also automate repetitive actions. In the top right corner, click Automate, then choose Add New Automation. From there, pick a template, like When Status Changes, and follow the prompts. This helps your board update itself based on triggers you define. Finally, you can change how your board is displayed. Under the board name at the top left, click Add View. Choose Kanban, Gantt, or Calendar to see the same tasks in different layouts, depending on how you like to work. And whenever you need to discuss a task, click the speech bubble icon on the right side of the task name. This opens the Items Updates panel. Type your message in the Write an Update box to keep all communication linked directly to that task.